What materials and tools are needed to remove dried hot glue from fabric?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing how to remove dried hot glue from fabric. Whether you accidentally spilled hot glue on your favorite shirt or you're working on a craft project gone wrong, I'm here to help you save your fabric and remove that stubborn hot glue. So, let's dive right in.
Materials required.
To tackle the task of removing dried hot glue from fabric, you'll need a few materials. Don't worry, these are readily available and won't break the bank. Here's what you'll need. 1. Rubbing alcohol, also known as isopropyl alcohol. This will be our primary solvent to dissolve the hot glue. 2. Cotton swabs. These will come in handy for applying the rubbing alcohol precisely to the affected areas. 3. Butter knife or spoon. You'll need one of these to gently scrape off any excess glue before applying the rubbing alcohol. 4. Clean cloth or paper towels. You'll need these to blot and wipe away the dissolved glue and residue. 5. Mild detergent. Depending on the fabric and stain, you may need a mild detergent to remove any remaining marks or discoloration. Now that we have our materials ready, let's move on to the next step.
Removing the dried hot glue.
1. Gently scrape off excess glue. Take the butter knife or spoon and carefully scrape off as much dried hot glue as possible from the fabric surface. Be cautious not to damage or pull the fabric fibers. 2. Apply rubbing alcohol. Take a cotton swab and soak it in rubbing alcohol. Blot the dried hot glue with the alcohol-soaked swab, allowing it to penetrate and soften the glue. Repeat this process until the glue starts to dissolve. 3. Blot and wipe away the dissolved glue. Once the glue has softened, use a clean cloth or paper towel to blot the area gently. Avoid rubbing vigorously, as this can spread the glue or push it further into the fabric. Continue blotting until the glue is lifted from the fabric. 4. Rinse and repeat. If any residue or glue remains, repeat steps 2 and 3 until the fabric is free of hot glue. Be patient and persistent, as it may take several attempts to fully remove the glue. 5. Wash the fabric. After successfully removing the hot glue, it's a good idea to wash the fabric as per the care instructions. Use a mild detergent to ensure any lingering residue is completely removed. Remember to check the fabric label for specific washing instructions. And there you have it. With just a few simple materials and a little bit of patience, you can remove dried hot glue from fabric and save your beloved garments or craft projects. Remember to gather rubbing alcohol, cotton swabs, a butter knife or spoon, clean cloth or paper towels, and mild detergent before getting started. Follow the steps we discussed, and soon enough, your fabric will be glue-free and ready to use again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy crafting!